Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to work on my napkin journal. I make my napkin journals myself from mixed media paper. I just staple them in the middle and I use this traveler's notebook standard size cover. It's a cloth cover with a strap to keep them all together. It's very easy. I have a video that I showed it once, so I'm going to link it down below and up in the cards. So I have two napkins today. I want to create something autumnal and I have these two beautiful napkins with two different colors, and these colors, these turquoise tones and earth colors go very nice with each other. So I'm going to tear a little bit of each and create a journal page, placing them in the opposite corners. I'm going to glue them with matte medium. I'm taking care that there are no hard edges because it's more difficult to blend into the page if there are hard edges. So it's better to tear them with your hand. And if you press your brush more, you will see that the wrinkles will disappear more and more. But I like them anyway. It creates some texture, so I don't mind them. If you are a beginner also, napkins are a great way to start art journaling because you already have the visuals. You don't need to think about the focal point or the colors. So you just take them, look at the colors, and continue for the rest of the page to blend in the napkins and use the same colors. Today I'm using my Arteza Mica powders, which is definitely a favorite in my stash. They have 60 colors in this box, and I can promise you, you will find every color that you would wish to have. They have like 3-4 different shades of gold, coppers, and any color in mica powder form, which is shiny. So it will have a nice shine to it when I finish. As usual, I have a discount code here on the screen, and I have all the links down below to buy the Arteza products. The discount is for all the products, not only for this mica powder. So if you want to use it, you will have all of them in the description box. I chose several colors from the same tones, autumnal tones, earthy tones, like coppers, dark oranges, browns, and also for the other corner of my page, mint green, turquoise green, those kind of colors in different shades of the same color. So it will be like in one corner these earthy tones, and the other corner will be turquoise tones. I thought at first to do opposites, to do earthy on the turquoise butterfly corner and the other in the earthy butterfly corner, but I thought it would be a little bit disturbing for the eye, so I decided to go with more harmony and use the same colors on the same corners. I'm using my matte medium to activate the powders. You can use water as well, but we have a napkin journal here, so there are napkins. It's not such a good idea to use so much water to activate the ink. And I want more control because I want the colors to go where I want them to go. So I'm going to use my matte medium. And at first it looks a little bit messy, but you know, we do it in layers and layers. So I took my time, enjoyed the process, enjoyed the colors, and went slowly. Just as I gave the colors, I decided what more I want to do, and if I want to use darker colors. I always start from light colors and go to darker shades because it's easier to go dark, but it's not easy to go back to lighter colors. So that's a tip for any coloring process. I also do the same with acrylic paint blending. And you could use acrylic paints with this journal page as well. It doesn't matter actually the medium. What matters is the colors. And as you use, you see I switched to browns. It becomes more and more defined and beautiful as I use more and more tones. It becomes more interesting, and you will see that with the dark brown shade I am also framing the butterfly and give some shadows under the wings. This gives more depth to this butterfly and makes my page more interesting. I always get the question where I buy my napkins. There is one shop that ships worldwide, and I'm going to put the link down below. And also, wherever you are, if there is eBay, you can always buy napkins. You will see lots of napkin shops in eBay. If you write decoupage napkins in the search on eBay, you will see loads of stores that you can buy napkins in one or in packs of 4. So it's really useful so that you don't have to buy like all the pack and don't know what to do with it. It's always encouraged to exchange napkins as well. There are a lot of people, very kind people, who send me napkins, and thanks so much. These butterflies are one of them as well. And I also send napkins to my crafty friends. So if we buy more than one, I always prefer, I only take one and prefer to share. And I sometimes do giveaways. And right now there is the pandemic and all this problem of going to places and postage, so I can't do, but when it's safer, surely I will plan to do a napkin giveaway as well. So after I was happy with the earthy browns part, I switched to the turquoise part, and I'm doing the same, going to darker shades, framing my butterfly, giving some shadows so it looks more 3D than 2D, and just going back and forth to have a nice blend, and I'm happy with it. The only thing I will do is add some gold here and there. This won't show so well when you look at it from the camera, but it shows in real life, and you will see it in the pictures. It adds a nice shine and lighter color. And finally, I'm going to have my sentiments. This is a sticker collection that I have from way before, like from years ago, from 7 Dot Studio. And I found that the colors match very well. So I'm going to stick a turquoise one on the earthy butterfly, on the brown butterfly. And I'm going to stick the other brown orangey sticker on the turquoise butterfly. This says spread kindness, and the other one says collect memories. Just after I used these stickers, I realized it's actually opposite side of the notebook direction. So I just flipped them. It doesn't matter, it's in the corners anyway. So the turquoise one came at the bottom. But I'm really happy with the result. The gold shines really nicely, and all the colors actually, because it's mica powders. I hope you enjoyed this simple art journal video with napkins. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe to my channel and leave me comments. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.